Dictionaries are essential tools for kids to learn. Throughout your student life, you need such many dictionaries in total. To buy these dictionaries, you need to spend between 6 to 8,000 yuan, which is equivalent to a high-end laptop. Together, they weigh more than 20 kg, which is heavier than a full 24-inch suitcase. While it takes 15 seconds to look up one word, the time wasted every year in total is enough to finish reading an entire English book. For language learning in the new era, a professional Youdao Dictionary Pen is enough. AI technology is applied. With just one click, you'll get the result in 1 second. With over 5 million entries, you can look up everything. You can also scan long sentences. Multiple dictionaries, all available in one pen. After knowing more about Youdao Dictionary Pen, let's find out how to use it in this quick video tutorial. Long press the red button to turn on the pen. Please select the system language. Select the language you want to translate. Connect to the internet. Find your network, or you can also use your phone's hotspot. Input the password. Click on Settings. The option of Bluetooth allows you to pair your pen with your earphones. Turn it on and connect to your earphones. This allows you to listen to the pronunciation through them. The volume setting allows you to modify the volume as well as its speed. You can choose between fast, moderate, or slow. Click on Brightness to adjust the brightness of the screen. The Learning feature allows you to select the language you want to translate or learn. For English to Spanish, you can just scan and get the translation in both ways. You also get the pronunciation, and if you tap on a word, you will get its meaning. For English to Chinese translation, you just scan to get the Chinese or English translation. Tap on a word to get its meaning. You can also scroll down to get more example sentences, or click on each character to get the character stroke order, along with its meaning, example sentences, and pronunciation. The dictionary setting allows you to turn on several dictionaries available. You'll get the most dictionaries in the Chinese English learning mode. If you decide to turn on the English to English option, you will have the Merriam-Webster's dictionary. This feature allows you to get the English definition of English words. The pronunciation setting allows you to choose between British or American accent for the pronunciation of the words. The handedness setting allows you to choose between right or left-handed scanning. Click on System Language to change the interface language. You can choose between Spanish, English, and Chinese. The multi-line function allows you to scan several lines at once. To update your pen, just scroll down and click in Update. You'll have to have a network connection. Scroll down and click in About to find more information about your pen. You can reset your pen in the Reset option settings.